In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Player 2 on Smash Bros. Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want to play Super Smash Bros. On the Nintendo Switch with up to 4 players, you simply have to assign different controllers to each player. To do this, back out of the game and go to the Nintendo Switch home screen. I'm gonna teach you how to divide your Joy-Cons in two, so if you have both Joy-Cons connected, you can make it so the left Joy-Con is player 1's controller and the right Joy-Con is player 2's. This is optional, but it is a convenient way if you don't have any additional Pro controllers. But if you have standalone controllers, you can also use those for everyone else who is going to be playing. So, on the home screen of the Switch, go into the Controllers and Sensors tab, so it is going to be this one at the left side of the settings. Now, inside of Controllers, choose the first option, Change Grip/Order. If you want to divide or take apart your Joy-Cons, what you have to do is press the Synchronize button on the Joy-Con. So on the left Joy-Con, press the Synchronize button that you see inside of it, and then press and hold both of these buttons together. This will add the controller to one of the available slots. So if slot 1 was empty, it would be assigned here, and then you repeat the same thing with player 2's controller, so aka the right Joy-Con. You press the sync button and then you press left and right together at the back. If you have separate controllers like these Pro controllers being used as examples, then you just synchronize them and then you press left and right on the controller. Once you have the controllers assigned to each of these positions, however you prefer, go inside of the game, initiate a battle, any mode, and you should be able to see everyone who is connected to the console. You will see their position, so depending on which light you see lit up here, you can know that they are player 1, or rather controller 1, controller 2, controller 3, and so on, and they will be able to control their little cursor to pick the character that they want to play as. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect player 2 on Smash Bros. Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.